Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Huawei 15, 15 Pro and 15 Ultra. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Huawei 15 and 15 Pro come with IP65 rating and the Nova 15 Ultra comes with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Huawei 15 Pro and 15 Ultra come with 6.84 inches LTPO OLED display. And the Huawei 15 comes with 6.7 inches LTPO OLED display. Hardware features. All three devices are powered by the Kirin chipset. When it comes to the camera features, Huawei 15 comes with 2 rear cameras, and the Nova 15 Pro and 15 Ultra come with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected stereo speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.